Microsft Fabric was just announced at Microsoft Build just 2 weeks ago. I'm so excited and a little bit surprised that Microsoft came out with the new tool. So what do you need to know about Microsft Fabric? We'll dig into the details right now. Microsft Fabric is a platform with many Microsoft tools built into it. So Microsft Fabric actually takes into account the data lake in Azure, your Synapse workspaces, your data warehousing within Synapse, and also all of your Power BI reporting. So Microsoft came out with this one platform that brings all of those tools together. Prior to Microsft Fabric, data professionals had to go to this tool for their data warehouse, another tool for all of their ETL pipelines. They had to go to Power BI for their reporting, and it was all just a mess of tools. All have their different build platforms and their different studios. Now with Microsft Fabric, it brings all of those tools together so your data professionals can go to this one location to build out all of their enterprise data architecture. And it also gives a location for the end users to go and view all of that data. Microsft Fabric is built off a new data lake experience called OneLake. OneLake is able to store any of your file types, your CSVs, your parquets, any of your data engineering file types for your typical data lake or your data lakehouse. But it can also store other types of files such as PBIX files for Power BI development or any other file type, just as you would your OneDrive or any other data lake out there. So this is really what Microsft Fabric is building itself around. Microsft Fabric is currently in preview, so it was released 2 weeks ago in Microsoft Build. Microsoft is expected to go generally available with Microsft Fabric in July of this year. Microsft Fabric can be purchased two ways: as a monthly subscription added on to your current Power BI subscription, or most commonly as a pay-as-you-go subscription. The pay-as-you-go subscription, just like any other Azure service, starts at a certain monthly price, and depending on your data usage and your capacity usage will go up from there. We know now that the monthly price starts at $263 per month and will increase as you go. I'm super excited for Microsft Fabric. It's going to bring Power BI reporting, Azure Data Factory for ETL pipelines and data flows, Synapse for your data warehousing, OneLake for all of your data lake needs, and also your streaming services so you can get all of your data streaming set up all within one platform. Microsoft recently came out with a tool called Microsoft Copilot. This brings the OpenAI service and large language models into the Microsoft tools. Microsoft has incorporated Copilot into Microsft Fabric. You'll be able to go into Microsft Fabric, type in scenarios, and actually have AI generate data pipelines, data flows, even a data warehouse for you. All of our consultants are super excited about Microsft Fabric. It's going to make our lives a lot easier when we go through project implementations and support for our clients' enterprise data architecture. It'll help us manage our Power BI reports better. It'll help us stand up data lakes, data lakehouses, and data warehouses just that much quicker to provide more value for our clients. I know y'all are just as excited about Microsft Fabric as we are. Leave a comment below and let us know what you're most excited about.